where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wondering free, wish I could be part of that. Celine is having her breakfast now. What are you eating, Lang? What is it? Scrambled egg, toast, and strawberries. Yay! Alam niyo bang mermaid yan siya ngayon? Ay, sinabi ko na naman. My God. It's okay. Well, watch this first. Look. Sinabi ko kasi yung magic word eh. Tingnan nyo, kasi gusto ko siyang ipakain. Diyan. Dumating kasi yung binili ko, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Sobrang ganda. Si Ate Pars, alam niyo namang obsessed tong dalawa sa Serena at the moment. And, kailangan ko siyang i-open kasi hindi man siya makaupo diyan kapag... Oh, we'll eat first, okay? Hang on. Mama will skip the ads. Ay, kung bakit pa kasi sinabi ko yung magic word eh. Oh! What is that? Pumpkin! Pumpkin! Buti na lang may pumpkin. Okay, eat now. Ayan. Yung kay Ate Paris, guys, ay blue yung kulay sa kanya. Pink. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang cute. Sobrang cute. Andito pa yung kay Ate Paris. Ayan. Binili ko to siya sa eBay. Ayaw niya kasi ipa-open. Sabi niya kayo na pag-alis niya kasi alam niyang darating. Sabi niya, don't open it, don't vlog it. Sabi niya ganun. But, kay Baby Celine, kawawa naman si Baby Celine. So, ayun, kinuha ko na kay Baby Celine. Hindi ko tinignan yun sa kanya. Para naman, may thrill siya mamaya pagdating niya. Siya yung mag-open, mag-unbox niya. Alam niyo naman how much she loves unboxing. Ayan. Nothing that Mark is working from home today. It's Wednesday pala, guys. Nagnanap na ang ating Baby Celine, guys. It's now 11:50 ng umaga. So, hindi masyadong maganda yung pakiramdam niya kasi may sipon ng ating baby girl. Since yesterday, hatching siya ng hatching. We're actually like me as well, got cold. So as Ate Paris. So, yung ilong niya ay very runny. And alam naman natin na kapag meron tayong sipon ay masakit din ang ating ulo, diba? So, ayun, medyo iyakin siya today. But she's very happy with her mermaid tail. Papakita ko sa inyo ng mabuti mamaya. She is now sleeping. Suot-suot niya ang kanyang mermaid tail kasi ayaw niyang hubad sa akin. So, I can't even imagine Ate Paris later, pag nakita niya yung sa kanya, siguradong masisiyahan din siya. And, hindi ko na in-open kasi yun na nga, ayaw niyang ipa-open sa akin. Hihintayin ko na lang siya mamaya mag-open sa kanya. So, after naming dinrap sa Ate Paris kanina, dumiretso kami sa cafe. Bumili ako ng aking drinks and also, I've got this almond croissant. Ayan. Naging favorite ko na to siya ngayon, guys. Sobrang sarap nito. Napakasarap. I get that one instead of the plain croissant kasi parang may flavor siya. Anyways, before ako maglinis-linis, maghahang ako ng mga clothes sa labas pala while Celine is sleeping. May dumating na parcel. Ayan. So, stock to ni mami nyo, guys, ha? Nandito para sa akin. Pero kung walang bibili, sa akin na lang. Mga bento to ni mami nyo, guys. So, these are all used. So, pre-owned items from overseas. And the first item is, ganito yung kanilang padust bag. Dito pa talaga yung, presyo. Oh. Cute naman ito. Kailangan ko to siyang pahanginan. Yung nilagyan kasi nila is, hindi box ba? Parang ano lang siya, yung plastic lang, kaya nayupi siya. Kailangan to siyang reshape. So this is what it looks like. This is a vintage Gucci handbag. Ayan. Very gold pa. Ito yung gusto ko sa mga vintage na bag, guys. Kasi yung mga gold nila before, it's very rich. Very yellow na yellow talaga kumpara sa mga gold nila ngayon. And, ayan. Meron siyang scratches. Well, ano bang ma-expect mo sa pre-owned item, diba? So, pre-love to siya. Ayan yung kanyang strap. Meron pala akong ganito din, guys, na iba din yung kulay. Beige yung kulay niya. Nakita nyo na ata yun sa mga videos ko. But, mas maliit. Tapos, detachable yung kanyang strap. Ito, hindi siya detachable. Ang amoy ay sobrang vintage. Hindi siya mabaho, ha? I love the vintage amoy. Talagang, sobrang ganda talaga, guys. Yung mga engraving and everything. Kapag vintage ninyo, ang gold, oh. So, ito yung sa kanyang loob. Oh, diba? May pa-freebies pa silang collagen na mask. Kapi. Kapi-kapi. Ito yung loob niya. So, I'll just top it with mga cloth, guys, ganyan, para bumalik yung kanyang shape. Before ko siya, pipicturan. Hala. May ano na pala siya, may tawag dito. Open dito sa ilalim. Hala. Check ko to na maayos mamaya. Message ko sila. Meron siyang clochette. Ayan, yung kanyang key. Kung hindi man to, dahil to siya sa pagkayupi ba? Wow, that's not good. Anyways, ayan siya. Nevertheless, it's a beautiful bag. Check ko yan ng mabuti mamaya. Tatlo lang pala to. Tatlo ba? Yes. Tatlong bag. So, the second one is also this Gucci tote bag. This is perfect kasi may nag-message sa akin kanina, hinahanap niya Gucci tote bag na olig. And sabi ko, may darating akong stock. So, pahanginan ko lang to siya para mawala yung kanyang mga creasing. Tapos, picturean ko, send ko sa kanya. This is good. Malinis siya. So, ganyan siya. Tote bag siya, guys. Na brown. Ganyan. Ang loob is malinis. Kita ba? Hindi naman siya lang kita. And that's the code. Ganyan. So, dalawa. And then the third one, ito pala siya, hindi to siya high-end na brand. But binili ko siya kasi nakita na ko sa kanya. Oh my God, dahil nga sa pagka-pack nila. Ganito man ito ang kanyang So, this is sobrang ganda nito, guys. Pag pag nahangina na to siya, bumalik na to siya sa shape niya. Nayupi kasi siya. But super cute. This is Jill Stewart, New York. Ayan. Sobrang cute ng kanyang handle. Ayan. Pwede siyang ganyan. Meron din siyang long strap. Siya sa ilalim. Ayan. Take this off. Bakit kasi hindi nila binax? Magkano bang bayad ko sa shipping? Lagay natin dito. Tapos, may isang nakalimutan ko na, guys. Ano yung binili ko? Ano ba to? Jeans? Ah, yeah. It's a Dolce & Gabbana na jeans. Ayan. Kasya kaya ito. Hayatin kasya naman ito sa akin. Very stretchy naman. Ganyan siya. Made in Italy. May pa ganito pa, 14 gold. Ano ba ibig sabihin yan, 14 gold. Tapos, yung dekoran niya. Ayan. So that's it, guys. Pahinginan ko lang to sila sa labas para balik ang kanilang shape. Medyo matagal-tagal ko to siya. Oh well. Tapos, gagawin ko na yung mga gawaing bahay habang tulog si Baby Celine. Kasi pagkagising noon, get ready for pick up at Paris na naman. The last couple of days ay maulan dito sa Brisbane, guys. Kaya, hindi ako nakapag-hang dito. But, from today, and I think straight 10 days, ay sunny siya. Kaya, mag-hang tayo dito para hindi lumaki yung electricity bill natin. My goodness. Yung dryer kasi, kapag gumagamit ka ng dryer, as much as possible, ayaw kong gamitin yung dryer. Lily mermaid. Look. It's a beautiful tail, Lini. It suits you. Yes? Tingnan niyo, sobrang cute, guys. Meron pa talaga siyang tail talaga hanggang yan, oh. Kasi diba last time sa mga vlogs natin, ginagamit nila yung mga blankets. Ngayon, they have their own tail. Naku po. Sirena ng anak ko. Nakikita niyo ba sa kanyang mga ngiti? Yung kanyang saya. Yeah, tell Tita and Tito about your tail. Do you love it? Yes. Are you excited for Ate Paris to open hers? George, kita mo na. Yeah. Blue. That's blue. That's a starfish. What color is this?
Yellow.
No. Pink. That's right.
Mama.
What's this? It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Mommy.
Mamaya silang dalawa ni Ate Paris pagka-uwi nun, mermaids na.
Mommy.
Linis. Okay, this way. This way. Okay. Yeah. Ganyan po talaga ang kanilang mga ano guys eh. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Slow.
Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the
Sun.
wondering free. Wish I could be part of the high pitch mo na imo na kay.
Everyone.
I know. Very cute mermaid. Who are you? You Ariel or Ursula?
No. The mermaid.
You're a mermaid, so you're Ariel.
It's a mermaid.
Who's Ursula then?
You.
Me?
Me.
Really? Not Ursula?
A mermaid.
Mommy Ursula, oh no. Poor unfortunate soul. That what?
Every mermaid.
Mermaid too, okay.
Every mermaid.
Oh, someone's got a parcel from Lola. Someone's got a parcel from Lola Karen. Lynn. Woo! We're not gonna open it until your birthday, okay? Birthday kasi ni Baby Celine, guys, in 5 days, anak? Time? How old you gonna be? 2. Bibihisan ko na to, guys. Kasi pipick upin na natin ang ating Paris. Alam nyo, it's gonna be a struggle taking this off. Kasi alam ko hindi to niya ipapaano, guys. Galuoy sa bata. Galuha-luha ang mata. Ano kaya ito, nak? Yung sa kanyang, lula sa tuhod. Lula sa tuhod talaga. Lula sa tuhod. Dumating last week. Sana sa kanyang lula naman. Lucky girl. Lucky girl. Yes. Come. Okay. Oh, say hello. Hello, cat. Say hello. We just park. Ayan, we're here to pick up Ate Paris now. Dito kami sa, across the road kasi wala na mapaparkingan doon sa harapan. Say hello! Good girl! Buti na lang, guys, nahubad ko yung mermaid tail. Hindi ko na i-mention kasi baka marinig na naman niya. Iiyak mo naman yan. Come on! Careful. Don't touch it lang kasi it might scratch you. It's okay. You can say hi. Hi. Hi and bye, Miming. Oh, stretching with Miming. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Cute-cute naman ni mo, anak. Oy. Cute naman ang pa-outfit mo, anak. Naka-jacket ka man, anak. Very liit ng jacket na yan. Oh my God. Oh. Hey, bye-bye. Very sunny, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, naka-sleeveless. Pero dinala ko pa rin to just in case nagiginaw ka agad. Kasi minsan, pag wala yung araw, maginaw siya. Dito na naman ang ating Baby Celine sa part na bawal. Bawal na gamot. Itong playground na to, guys. Yan. After school. Hala, Ate Paris is coming out na, anak! Come on! Tingnan nyo. A lot of teachers gonna come here again and will get angry. You are not allowed there. Come on! Come on, Ate Paris is waiting for us. Oh! Come on na! Tingnan nyo, mahilig siyang magganyan. Oh, stuck. Wow, good job. Good job. Ang ating Ate Paris na may game na naman. Oh, siya lang yung gumagawa-gawa ng kanyang game. Her game. Her rules. Ayan. So that's Violet, ang kanyang friend. Ala, anak. Saan niyo pag... Ginunting niya lang pala yung picture na... Ay.
I draw them.
Did you draw?
This is also one. Yeah, that.
Ooh, cute! What's this, I think? What do you say to Ate?
It's mermaid.
It's a mermaid. Lahat na lang mermaid.
I think that's open the room.
We will see kung
Maybe this goes.
solve nila ang puzzle. Anak, careful, anak. Tingnan niyo, hawak kamay talaga yan sila, oh. Pat!
You gave it the little one, a little shell. We did also do
Cat!
the first year or so we did this.
Say hi. Sorry. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't touch. Not touching, okay?
Ollie,
No, Lini. No.
you might be allergic to that.
Oh, buti pa sa Paris. Alam niyang allergic. That's right. Okay. Wait a minute. Mama has to open it. Okay. Honey girl, what's that screaming for? Look, here. Oh. Okay. You sit, okay? Both of you.
And then you can give me.
That's right. Hey, Josh! Excited na excited sila, guys. Ayan, so ipa-open na natin kay Ate Paris yung sa kanya. Here. Okay. Hang on lang, Ling. Here's yours.
Oh, I didn't.
Woo! We can't wear it. We have to wear it later when we get home, okay? Because we're in the car. Look at the Paris's. I made sure na nakatali sila, guys, sa kanilang mga chair, sa kanilang mga seat before. Woo! Before kayo open kasi gusto nilang suotin. Oh, Ate Paris will understand that this one. Mermaid! Look! Ate Paris will open hers.
I already know I should open
Look, she's showing you hers. We'll put it when we get home, okay?
I'm going to do. Mommy.
And what do you say to Mama?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're
Actually, I'm gonna wear it now.
No, you can't just yet.
Why?
Wait, you have to wear it because you have to take your shoes off and everything. It's gonna be too hot. It's okay. You wear it when you get home, okay? Okay, Lini. You can hold it. You can hold it.
Can I do this?
Okay. Actually, yeah, you can do that if you want to. Actually, I'll do that. Kahit yung ganito lang para hindi na umiyak. Okay, hang on. We're going to Ate Paris' swimming class now. And tingnan nyo, bit-bit nila ang kanilang mermaid tails. Ang ating baby sila, gusto rin talagang dalhin yung sa kanya. And I thought to myself, yes, that's perfect. Kasi kung susutin niya yan doon, she will just sit down. So hopefully she will just sit down. Kasi every time na pupunta kami sa swimming class ni Ate Paris, I am so tired after, guys. Kasi itong isa. Yes, honey?
I was at school when I was going in.
Ano daw?
I was trying to say, can you please put my reading folder inside? If
Oh
you
yeah,
have
well
it.
we don't have it. It's at home.
That's fine.
We'll bring it tomorrow, okay?
Right! It's
You can still bring it.
Thursday, Mike.
Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday.
I know, but I'll have to do it the next day. Thursday, Friday.
Tingnan nyo ang dalawa.
What's this evening, Mike?
Ang mga anak ko naging sarana na. What is it?
What's evening?
Okay, show me. Wow. Careful with Lini behind you. Wow, super cute. Huh? There you go. My God. Tingnan nyo, masayang-masaya na yan sila. Kaya na, kuha na ilang gusto. You know what, guys? One day, it makes me very emotional, right? Kasi one day, hindi na nila ito ianuhin. Baliwalain na nila ito kasi they will grow up.
Let's go.
Yeah! So now, ini-enjoy ko na lang din kung ano yung ini-enjoy nila. Wow! Buti na lang ito dumating in time. Actually, ang sabi sa tracking, bukas pa darating. But I came one day early. And tingnan nyo naman sila. Kita nyo naman kung gaano sila kasaya sa kanilang mermaid tails. Yeah, you can put it on properly nap later when we get home. See, there's a zipper lang. See, there's a zipper on the side. So just in case you want to walk.
Oh, yeah. No, I just have to jump.
Nice, Lini. What's wrong? Here. Ate, I have to put your goggles, Nabi. Tingnan niyo silang dalawa. Sana, oh. Ang bunso ay naka-mermaid na. Ang ate naman, feeling naman niya, oh. Anak, Lini, are you giving Ate Paris a massage?
Hungry.
Hungary? Oh, actually, have this banana. You want banana too? Hang on, that's Ate Paris. Do you want banana, Lini? Do you want banana? Okay, see, nak, give it to her. See if she likes it. See if she's gonna bite. It's just gonna be umang hungry. Binigay ko yan sa kanya kanina. Ayaw niya. I have another banana. Isa na lang talaga yung naiwan, oh. Yung kapatid niya, yung bunso ay ayaw naman niyang kainin, pero ayaw niya ibigay sa kanya. Oh, tuwara! Ay, okay. Ha? Tintog man ka nga, mermaid man ka. Lini up! Oh my God. You okay? Yes. Oh my God. Dapat. Hugas na tayo ng mga hugasin, guys. And then we'll get our dinner ready. So, after ng swimming ni Ate Paris, hindi na sila nakapaglaro ng kaibigan niya doon kasi meron silang appointment. So, Ate Paris was not happy about that. So, dumiretso na kami ng sasakyan. I tried to do my editing habang nasa sasakyan kami, guys. And they were watching, YouTube. And, yeah. I don't think may upload tayo tonight. Hindi kinaya ng powers ni mami niya, guys. So, umakyat na kami dito. And, yun na nga. I will do the, washing the dishes. Lini girl! Tingnan niyo ang ginagawa, oh. Kasi ayaw man niya talagang hubarin. Ambot na lang ni mo, anak. Ate, help her, te. Try, please. Ask her what she wants to do. Selene! Ambot na lang din na. Maligyas na po na karon. Yung bahay ay sobrang mabango, guys, kasi I have the thing on. Ayan, yung diffuser. Sobrang bango. Pagka-uwi namin dito, wala si Daddy Mike sa upuan niya. I think, he just finished, tapos nag-shower siya. Hindi pa siya lumalabas. So, hindi pa kami nakita. She okay na, ate?
I don't think she wants to sit up.
Ising now, iping.
Iping! Hello, sweetheart!
Ate Marukte!
Hello! Tingnan nyo lang. Video call kami ng sister ko, guys. Ang mama ko. Mama. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo.
May namigay ng iping si Mayura. Namigay ng iping si Mayura. Alibi! Ubat!
Alam nyo ba kung ano yung iping, guys? Sa mga Bisaya, nakasabot sa iping. Ay, what's going on? Didi? Didi? Timing sa nag-video call kami ng mama ko, guys, at saka yung sister ko. Ngayon, may nagbebenta ng iping ba? Sabi ko, ipaubos na lang. parang nagpiesta sila, guys, yung mga kapitbahay na lahat, namigay ng iping. Didi. Habalok. Siya sabi. Siya habalok. Tita. Mak, pakita sa mga kagiping.
Para iping, bibo na kayo na, yanti,
Look.
Siginaw lagi iping, yanti.
Naubos na para hindi na kailangan niya magbenta si auntie. Ha?
Salamat po yan. Wala, nag-feeding program sa iping,
Nag-feeding program sa iping, guys. Tignan nyo, I wish nandiyan ako, guys. Favorite ko talaga yung iping ba. Eh, wala man ako, sila na lang yung kakain for me.
Lagi mga bot karon asang iping nga pangitaan ginis mama ron.
Nahurot na, wa na.
Ano pa?
O di, ang pinipig na lang ibenta ni ante.
Pas ka na iping. Dali.
Tingnan niyo yung mga kids, oh.
Dili ka nanay. Oh, to dabibo ng mga bata tiyo. Oh. Last na lang. O katungin sa matang mayulit. O, murag igsuon taman da ito, ti. Kuya, Diyosan man da ito. Panaway, smile. Ana. Pa.
Pulo ka kay mama, ah.
Wala.
Ang saya-saya ni ate, guys. Yung nagtitinda. I'm so happy I made her day. I hope I made her day. And also, yung mga kapitbahay din namin. So, yun na nga, hindi ako nakapag kanina kasi si baby singing. But yeah, nag-video call kami ng kapatid ko, tapos may nagbenta ng iping. Ewan ko, i-send ko, ano ko na lang yung picture dito sa screen, guys, para makita nyo. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung Tagalog nun. And, sa likod ng bike niya, meron din siyang mga pinipig, yung mga ice drop ba, ice cream. So, si mama ko, tsaka yung kapatid ko na babae lang yung bumili. Tapos sinabi ko, marami pa bang tinda si ate? Sabi niya, meron pa, marami pang mga 35 in total ata yung iping, tsaka yung meron pa siyang mga ice cream. Sabi ko, ubusin na lang yung iping para hindi na maglalako si ate ba. Hindi na siya mag ng kanyang bike. Kasi nagbabike lang si ate, guys. At, makauwi na rin, diba? Kasi, alam ko yung feeling, guys, ng ganyan. When I was young, I used to sell mga kahit na sa bahay-bahay. Yung mama ko yung nagluluto. Minsan, mangga, yung ginagawa namin, parang kinakat yung mangga, nilalagyan ng bagoong. Yan, binibenta namin sa bahay-bahay. During, Sunday, yung mama ko yung nagluluto ng pagkain, yung mga ulam. Nagluluto yung mama ko ng, ang tawag dito, yung tinai, sa baboy. Ay, kilala ako ng mga kapitbahay namin, guys. Kahit na malayo sa amin na lugar, kilalang kilala kami kasi ay bit-bit pa more ng kalderin pa more. Bit-bit ng kaldero, guys. And yung pitsil, nilalagyan ng anong tawag dito, guys? Ng luwag. Ano man Tagalog ng luwag, guys? Nagluluto din yung mama ko ng sampay na. Yung itong panggamit. Tapos may pitsil, lagyan ng tubig para malinis siya. Ganun pag may bibili, gamit na naman. And apart from that, nung elementary, kahit high school ako, guys, nagbibenta rin kami sa paaralan. Nagdadala ako ng mga photo, ng mga suman, ng kung ano-ano doon sa school. So, alam ko yung feeling, guys, na kapag naubos ay super saya mo, 'di ba? So, hopefully, si ate siya, guys. Sabi niya, salamat, ma'am. Pag ganun siya nang umalis siya. And, it makes my heart melt kapag, sa mga maliliit, it's a little thing, guys. Like, sobrang maliit na bagay lang. You make someone happy. So, it doesn't take big things na milyon-milyon yung ipambigay mo para maging masaya yung mga tao, 'di ba? Mapasaya mo yung mga tao. So, 'di ba, yung namin, yung mga kapitbahay, yung mga kids, yung mga matatanda sa amin, they're very happy. Kahit sa ganung paraan, sobrang liit lang. Papasaya mo yung tao. Kapag napasaya mo yung tao, guys, it's different feeling. Parang, there's something na satisfaction sa puso mo. Well, for me, ganun yung effect sa akin. Kasi, I've been there. I've done that. Yung mermaid ay kumakain ng bugon. Tanan nyo, guys, so mermaid pa rin. More cooking dinner. Ano siya, payak-iyak. Ay, gutom pala. Gusto kong kumain ng bahaw. Yummy? Yeah. It is yummy, isn't it? Mama's favorite, dukot. Ay! Did you try a trick, Mama? Yum? Wait, hang on. Give some? Oh. Gusto mo makan ako? Gusto mo makan baba? Mangga baba. Wipe it more. It's more on the side. May napaya ka niya sa iyang bugon guys. Ay, yeah, please. Ay, pukusik lang. Ay, lang. Ay, usik. Who did you talk to? On the phone?
I'm talking to Eric. I'm a real mermaid, and my name's Eric. Okay.
Okay. Tingnan niyo ang iyong phone. It is bedtime now, guys. So I clean the bedroom now. And maghilamos na to sila, guys. Kaya tingnan niyo, binigyan niya naman sa akin ito kasi palagay na naman niya.
I see.
But we have to go to bed now because it's late. Lainey,
Mermaid.
it's bedtime.
Mermaid.
You want a mermaid?
Yeah. Hi.
It's bedtime naman lang.
Look,
Huh?
mermaid.
We have to hilamos. Okay.
Lainey, your mermaid?
I'm sure. It's the mermaids.
Mermaid.
Mermaids.
Linis. Hello, parang manis. Hang on, wait a minute.
I love you, Lainey.
There you go. There you go.
Can I do that? Mermaid. Can you spread it to mine? Mermaid. Okay. Mermaid in the shop.
Social man nga mermaid. Uy na, may camera.
Stop, guys. I'm Ariel.
Who are you lang? Are you Ursula?
No.
Who's Ursula? Can you call Ursula? Call Ursula.
Because
Call Ursula. Are you Ursula? Te, are you Ursula?
No.
everything and it was just the first time
We go to bed soon, okay?
that we've been away.
Nini?
Mermaid.
Wow, ganda naman kanyang necklace, oy. Laki naman ang bato
I
na.
always made a phone.
It's like, that'll make me feel better.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So it's just a very kick in the gut moment.
Na, wala yung cellphone sa ilalim sa tubig lang. Is there a phone under the ocean? Under the sea.
Hello.
Hello?
I'm putting this down.
Hanggang lang, si Lynn is talking. Lynn, talk mo, Lynn.
Hello.
Hello.
Answer, Daddy. Daddy.
Hello.
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 Your turn.
Hello. Under the sea.
Ating gabi na siya, guys. Kakatapos ko lang skincare. Nakatulog na ang mga kids, guys. Lumabas lang ako. Kasi, i-ready ko yung mga uniform na Ate Paris for tomorrow. So, paplansyahin ko siya. Because, tomorrow, early morning, meron akong appointment, guys, for my lashes. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited. Alam niyo ba yun? Kasi, tomorrow will be my second time magpa-lashes for this year. Ha? Normally, kung nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko before, I do it regularly. But, now, ano lang siya tuwing may okasyon lang, guys. So, like, next week's birthday ni Celine, and may pupuntahan kami okasyon. So, I thought, you know, why not? I'm super excited. I have to go early in the morning, like 7 o'clock yung appointment ko. So, I have to get up by 6:30. Kaya, i-ready ko na to. So, Daddy Mike yung in charge ng mga kids tomorrow. Yeah, I can't wait. Anyways, we'll end the vlog here now, guys. I'll do a quick shout out before we say bye and good night. Shout out to Maricar Castaneda, Marissa Camposano, Celine, Rochelle Pacana, Jancy Pinoy in Australia, Jen Lee Beauchamp, Yuli Novero, Fele Elamparo, Emily, Baningning, Mami Rosa Valle, Rani Langit, Ashik Life, Maria Fe Cañeda, Norma Clarin, Juliet Caparas, Sweet Shy Kulit, Susan Villar, Lisan Bansil, Marina Dusil, Victoria Baptista, and Delaney Prince. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!